For this week's feature product, we're focusing on a range of cleaning products from Canadian company M2 Professional. Behold, the ultimate tool for deep surface cleaning, the Doodle Bug. Now, most people assume the Doodle Bug system is just for floor cleaning, but with the different pads, you can clean all sorts of surfaces: floors, windows, walls, and more. First, let's take a look at the Doodle Bug frame and some of its features. The adjustable locking collar ensures a snug fit with most standard broom handles. The 360-degree swivel head easily cleans both vertical and horizontal surfaces, so you can clean it like you mean it. It's lightweight and durable, built for long-lasting, high-performance use, and it's a perfect fit for 5x10-inch cleaning pads. Speaking of the cleaning pads, let's go over our options. There's the microfiber flat wet mop pad, which is highly absorbent and picks up and traps dirt better than traditional cleaning cloths. It can be used for wet or dry cleaning applications and has a Velcro backing. There's also a cotton wet mop pad option. Then we have the utility pads, which are non-abrasive pads that won't scratch or damage surfaces and are meant for gentle scrubbing. They're ideal for removing burnt-on food, light scrubbing of counters, appliances, baseboards, and other residential or commercial surfaces. They conform to uneven surfaces and can be used with water and solvents. They are also color-coded. White is for light duty, blue is for medium duty, black is for heavy duty, and lastly, brown, which is extra coarse. Now don't forget, the Doodle Bug frame does not come with a handle. Luckily, we stock many compatible options, including the telescopic aluminum flat mop handle, also from M2 Professional. So, mop up your act this week with the Doodle Bug cleaning system from M2 Professional. Do you have a preferred cleaning method you use at home? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to stay tuned for more fantastic feature products. Have a great Canadian day.